question concerning batteries came in from one of our RV Repair Club members. Is 6-volt batteries better than 12-volt batteries? Now, both of them have their advantages. The way they work is 6-volt batteries have to be hooked in series, meaning the negative to the positive. It gives you a 12-volt bank, just like you had before. The manufacturers that use the 12-volt system, the reason they do it, number one, is cost. You can only use one battery. With the 6-volt, you have to have 2 batteries. If you're going to upgrade, you have to go 2 more. You can't go 3. So the 12-volt manufacturers look at it and say, originally they don't gas as much, they were more accessible out in the road if you needed to have them worked on or even replaced. 6-volt were a little bit more difficult to have it. Now, in practice, you take 2 6-volt batteries and you hook them in series and you get a 12-volt bank. You're typically going to have more battery capacity, more hours off of that unit than you would with one 12-volt. But again, more expense, more weight. If you want to upgrade, you have to go 2 more. So there are advantages either way, depending on how much dry camping you really do, because the more battery capacity requirements are mostly for when you're going boondocking and you're not hooked to electricity. You need that battery to last longer. So look at how you're using it and what application is best for you.